Courtney Sanchez and my coach Ralph. We are the folks from Lifetime Fitness Center. I'm going to show you a few stunts we do here. One thing we're going to start out a little bit easy is back up. Fail. Hi, my name is Courtney Sanchez and this is my coach Ralph. We are the folks here at Lifetime Fitness Center. Now I'm going to show you some tricks. Hi, my name is Courtney Sanchez and this is my coach Ralph. Here, we are the folks here at Lifetime Fitness. I really hope the police come out. Oh no, I'm bleeding. I have to go. Wait, I gotta open my eyes. I need to... I do my breaks. Work out. Here, I'll just try with my hand first.
If I stand up, it's gonna hit my head. Is it close to my head?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm afraid it's gonna hurt. Ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it stopped. Okay. This is the water. So I'm drinking right now. This is the water I'm gonna drink. You see it? I'm gonna drink it as fast as I can. After I'm done chewing it. Okay. Hayden, take it off so I can finish chewing. This might take a while.
Okay.
Drink water fast.
I'm gonna make chips. First, we need chips. Duh. We get the big ones. That's what she said. Oh my gosh, why are they all broken?
Oh.
They're really salty. Good.
And then once she's done doing the chips, you put some cheese on it.
A lot of cheese on it.
Okay.
Okay.
What did you say?
Okay.
Okay, so
Now we're, wait, what was that?
sprinkle the cheese.
I could eat that much.
So you
For myself.
sprinkle the cheese on the...
Or just like this.
So you top the cheese. Top the chips with cheese.
And it melts, basically.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Really? Really? Oh, that's cool.
Okay, we're good. Ready?
Okay.
You put it in the microwave.
Now we're going to put them in the microwave, so I'll see you later. Now, I'm going to put salt on it. Things aren't good without salt. I don't know if you guys know this, but I like everything with a lot of salt on it. I always put extra salt on things. I like salt.
I like salt.
A lot of salt. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Please. Hayden, stop. Help me up. Stop. Stop.
Come help me.
But you gotta help me up.
No. Oh, come on. I've been working forever. Come on. Here's my leg.
Your toes. Okay. Okay. Ow! You take it first.
Okay, ready? Go. Moonwalking.
Ouija. Give me some of
Ladies, I'm just gonna take you into the nice police car and they'll escort you to Walmart immediately to get your game, okay?
Level